Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. We're back in Atlantic City, and today we're going to be checking out the Showboat. The Showboat was originally opened in 1987 as a resort and a casino, but now it is a hotel, apartments, and a humongous arcade with a big water park coming very soon. I am currently walking here from the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I'm going to show you the rest of the walk at the end of this video. I'm visiting today with my husband, Kelly. This film was taken mid-September. It was during the week. It was probably about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't personally stepped into this property since like the late 80s, and my husband's never been here, so we really didn't know what to expect. Upon entering, you get hit in the face with a bunch of places to eat and all the neon and the bright lights. I'm like, wow, this is really, is it still a casino? It really isn't. It just feels like a casino. The Showboat is New Orleans Mardi Gras themed, which makes the whole atmosphere that much more fun as well. After seeing all the casinos in Atlantic City, this would be my top pick if I were to be coming here with my kids when they were younger. Definitely, because there may be aesthetically a lot of appealing things about Hard Rock and the ocean and Borgata, even Tropicana might be really fun for the kids, but this has got it going on as far as things to do for children. This video today is just purely a walk around just to show you what the atmosphere is like in the Showboat. Okay, let's go check out the casino grooming first, also known as the arcade. This place was truly amazing. It's a Chuck E. Cheese lover's dream. And for your older children, or if you just have like a little daredevil heart yourself, they have a little racetrack here as well. The Showboat just went through a major renovation. With that and the new upcoming water park that's going to be opening, this is going to be a definite big improvement to Atlantic City. Have you recently just stayed at the Showboat? Please let me know in the comments below how your stay was. I would love to know. Your experiences and knowledge are always welcomed and appreciated.
trying to be an event center.
I could be wrong, but I'm assuming this down here is where the apartments are. It has more of a residential feel to it. We really enjoyed the walk around there. It was just really fun. It was very lively. Would I stay there? Probably not. I really don't have a reason to. I don't have children of that age, and I get free rooms at other resorts. But I would definitely go back and possibly eat there, But I was really excited to go, see the place, and perhaps maybe I'll go to the water park one day. Who knows? I don't rule anything out. So now here is our walk from the Hard Rock Hotel, which we had comp rooms for. Now we're walking over to the Showboat. I wanted to put this at the end of the video for anybody that wanted to see what it was like to walk from the Hard Rock to the Showboat. Well, that concludes our tour for today. Thank you so much for hanging with me. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks, trying to make your vacation planning a little more seamless for you. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to leave a couple playlists right here, one of Atlantic City and one of Las Vegas. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels to you.